Hi, Kaune. These are your spelling words for the week. So let's just go through the sound that we are focusing on. So this sound is created by the letter E and the letter Y together. And the sound that they produce or make together is E, like in the word key. I unlock the door with a key. K-E. So E-Y sounds like E. Let's quickly go through all the words. D-on-k-e, donkey. M-a-n-k-e, monkey. The double line indicates a borrowed sound. We know that A does not belong to the letter O, so O has borrowed the A sound in the word monkey. H-o-k-e, hockey. J-o-k-e, jockey. T-r-k-e, turkey. A-l-e, alley. V-a-l-e, valley. Tr-o-l-e, trolley. P-r-s-l-e, parsley. H-a-n-e, honey. M-a-n-e, money. Ch-i-m-n-e, chimney. J-er-n-e, journey. K-i-d-n-e, kidney. St-o-r-e, story. This is not a story that you read in a book. This is a story like it's a double story building. Okay? G-o-d-f-r-e, Godfrey. Sh-er-l-e, Shirley. St-an-l-e, Stanley. W-e-z-l-e, Wesley. Our double line shows us that Z is a borrowed sound which does not belong to the letter S. So the letter S is not supposed to really sound like Z, but in the name Wesley, it does. Okay? So you'll notice that Godfrey, Shirley, Stanley, and Wesley are names that have the E-Y sound, E, in them. Okay? So we just finished going through the sounds in each word. Now we are going to spell each word. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. J-O-C-K-E-Y, jockey. T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. A-L-L-E-Y, alley. V-A-L-L-E-Y, valley. T-R-O-L-L-E-Y, trolley. P-A-R-S-L-E-Y, parsley. H-O-N-E-Y, honey. M-O-N-E-Y, money. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. J-O-U-R-N-E-Y, journey. K-I-D-N-E-Y, kidney. S-T-O-R-E-Y, story. G-O-D-F-R-E-Y, Godfrey. S-H-I-R-L-E-Y, Shirley. S-T-A-N-L-E-Y, Stanley. W-E-S-L-E-Y, Wesley. The next sound that we must look at is the sound that is produced by the letter U and the letter E together. So UE can make two different sounds. In the blue house, UE sounds like oo, like in the word look. So this sounds like oo. In the green house, UE sounds like U for unicorn. So this is oo and this is U. Okay? So let's go through the sounds. Blue, blue. Glue, glue. True, true. Clue, clue. Cruel. That means when someone has a bad heart, when someone is not kind, they are cruel. Okay? It's not cruel, it's cruel. Okay? And then now the sound changes to U, like in U for unicorn. Tuesday, Tuesday. Barbecue, barbecue. Avenue, avenue. Statue, statue. Value, value. Argue, argue. Rescue, rescue. Fuel, fuel. And now we spell all the words. BLUE, blue. GLUE, glue. TRUE, true. CLUE, clue. CRUEL, cruel. TUESDAY, Tuesday. BARBECUE, barbecue. AVENUE, avenue. STATUE, statue. VALUE, value. ARGUE, argue. RESQUE, rescue. FUEL, fuel. And the last sound is produced by an O and an E together. OE can sound like O, like in B-O-T or sh-O. So OA, OW, and OE can all make the same sound, and that sound is O. On the other side, OE can also make the oo sound, like in the word look. Okay? So this is O and this is oo. Let's go through the sounds. T-O, toe. D-O, dough. G-O-Z, goes. P-O-T-A-T-O-Z, potatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-Z, tomatoes. And now the sound changes to oo. A-L-oo, alu. Sh-oo, shoe. And let's do the spelling of each word. T-O-E, toe. D-O-E, dough. G-O-E-S, goes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. A-L-O-E, alu. S-H-O-E, shoe. Okay, so you will go over all of those words with the O or the oo sound coming from OE, with the oo or the U sound coming from UE, and then with the E sound coming from EY. Okay, so that's what you will use today to practice for your spelling test tomorrow, and good luck with that. See you at 6:30 today. Peace out.